Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to check your Visa card balance in 2025. Whether you're managing your finances on the go or just keeping tabs on your spending, this guide will make it easy and straightforward. Let's dive right in. First, the most convenient method is online. Head to the official Visa website at visa.com. You'll need to log in with your account credentials. Most banks link their Visa cards here. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Summary section, and your balance will pop up instantly. It's quick, secure, and accessible from any device. If you prefer mobile access, download the Visa app from your phone's App Store. After installing it, sign in with your details, and you'll see your balance on the dashboard. The app often includes extra features like transaction alerts and spending categories, making it a must-have for 2025's digital world. For a more traditional approach, grab your card and call the customer service number printed on the back. Follow the automated prompts. They'll ask for your card number and maybe a verification code. In just a minute, you'll hear your balance. This is great if you're not tech-savvy or don't have internet access. Another option is using an ATM. Simply insert your Visa card, enter your PIN, and select the Balance Inquiry option from the menu. Be aware that some ATMs might charge a small fee, so check with your bank first. A few quick tips to keep things safe. Always use a secure, private network when checking online, enable two-factor authentication if available, and never share your PIN. In 2025, with advanced security features, staying vigilant is key to protecting your funds. There you have it. Checking your Visa card balance is easier than ever. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and leave a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.